No one wants to read boring documents. It could be code of conduct, it could be privacy policy, compliance documents, HR documents, all types of business documentation which should be read and accepted by employees. But honestly, they are quite boring. And yes, you can try to rewrite them to make them more organized, more engaging. But still, you can add infographics. But still, it remains static document. And from our conversations with our clients, with Kukarella clients, I can say for sure that that's the challenge for them. And that's why we decided to help our users. Let's say that you have a document which you want your employees to read. Let's call it Acme Code of Conduct. If you read line by line, you'll probably sleep after second paragraph. Let's read one paragraph. If you have a question or concern, don't just sit there. You can contact your manager, your human resources representative for ethics and business integrity. You can also submit a question or raise a concern, blah, 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 and so on. What we can do? Upload this code of conduct to Kukarella and ask it to something like that. And yeah, you can modify it as you want. You can say something, create conversation in different language, in French, in Spanish, in Chinese, in Japanese. You can request to focus on specific important points of the code. You can ask it to make it funny. Let's add your anecdotes and stories from real life. So your imagination can really do its best. And as you see, you can also create an image and video to support that. Let's create an image. In this case, you will get an audio dialogue and an image which illustrates that dialogue. And in this case, what you can do, you can add link to this generated dialogue to your code of conduct as a link, and a new employee can either listen to this dialogue or read it. So he has options now, and you have more chances that he will actually understand your code of conduct or policy or any document which you want to share. So this is an image. If you want, you can animate it. It's usually good when you not just tell but also show something. If you want to create more visuals or even come up with ideas for design of this code of conduct, you can do that using this tool, Create Visuals. Now we created this dialogue. You can read it, and if there are some inaccuracies, you can edit. And when you're happy, just click play, and this text will be converted to audio, which you can download as MP3 or WAV file. You can download this text as well and add it to your code of conduct. If you want to change voices, you can replace them here.
In the depths of the Pacific Ocean, volcanic vents create underwater lakes of superheated brine.
So that's the voice for manager and new employee.
Deep in the Amazon rainforest,
I would change this one. I would choose probably a female voice, which supports styles. Let's listen to.
Deep in the Amazon rainforest, a
That sounds good. And yeah, we can choose style. Let's make it happy. And that's it. Now you can click play and you will get audio. Are there alternatives to this software? For sure, there are. And the most famous alternative is Notebook-LM. But let's check how it works. Let's do the same thing. We uploaded code of conduct, and now it generates conversation. As you see, in this case, you do not have any control on angle, perspective, which you want for this audio overview of your document. It is generated automatically. Also, you can't control the length of final audio, neither voices which will be used. So if you need more control and all those features which we discussed earlier, Kukarella probably will perform better. But again, it's up to you. You can try Kukarella, you can try Notebook-LM, compare what works best for you, and use it. So we spent years building Dialogues AI in Kukarella, and for this particular case, we received feedback from business users. They just screaming that they couldn't, not force, but make the employees read all documents. That was the challenge. So that's why we came up with this solution. If you have any suggestions, if you need clarifications, please send us a mail to support@kukarella.com, and we will be happy to address your concerns and answer your questions. It's taken too long. Give it a try to Kukarella dialogues. Create dialogue. If you want to do the same thing with text to voice, you can do that. In this case, you will create voiceover, not a dialogue, voiceover. If you want to create dialogue with more participants, you can do that as well. Just specify how many people should be in this conversation. Let's say 3 or 5, 2 managers and 3 new employees, and maybe some of them speak other languages other than English. So try, experiment, and share your thoughts. I'm curious if Notebook-LM is still working. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope that this will help you in your work. Again, share your thoughts. Let us know if this works for you, and if you want this to be improved, please let us know what you're missing here. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.